Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a website in Replit in 2026. So if you want to build a website directly from your browser without installing any software, Replit makes the process pretty simple. First, sign in to your Replit account and head to your dashboard. If you don't already have an account, create one and complete the setup process. Next, click the Create REPL button and choose a web development template. Depending on your project, you can select HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or another web-focused option. Once your workspace opens, you'll see the project files on one side and the code editor in the center. This is where you'll build your website. Start by editing the main HTML file. This file controls the structure of your website, including headings, text, images, and links. After that, open the CSS file to customize the design. You can change fonts, spacing, layouts, and other visual elements to give your website a unique look. Finally, test your website on different devices and screen sizes to ensure everything works correctly before sharing it with others. And that's it. That's how to create a website in Replit in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.